Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Coinbase wallet without your seed phrase, as long as you still have access to the wallet on your device. This is a step-by-step guide and it's very easy to follow, so make sure you watch until the end. Now, before we begin, please remember that this method only works if you can still open your wallet and know your password. If you completely lost access and don't have your recovery phrase or private key, there is unfortunately no way to recover the wallet. So first, go ahead and open your Coinbase wallet application. Let's say you still have access to your account, but you want to move it to another device and you don't have your seed phrase saved. What you can do is tap on the settings section inside the app. Once you're in settings, look for your wallet account or wallet address and tap on it. Inside that section, you'll see an option that says Show Private Key. Go ahead and tap on it, and the app will ask you to unlock your wallet by entering your password. After you enter your password, your Ethereum private key will be displayed on the screen. Now, this part is very important. Make sure nobody is watching your screen, and never share this private key with anyone because it gives full access to your funds. You'll usually have about 1 minute to view and copy the private key, so quickly copy it to your clipboard and store it safely for the next step. Once you have copied the private key, open another wallet application such as MetaMask. Inside MetaMask, go to the Account section, click on Add Account, then choose Import Account. You'll see an option to import using a private key string. Paste your private key there and tap Import. After that, your wallet will be successfully transferred, and all your assets and tokens connected to that wallet address will appear in the new wallet. And that's it. That's how you can recover and transfer your Coinbase wallet without using your seed phrase, as long as you still have access to the original wallet. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.